Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're off to Dereham for a classic car show at their windmill, which I didn't even know was a thing until the other day, so I thought I'd bring you guys along in the Jeep where we can take a look at the classic cars and stuff that show up. Here we are then guys, we're all parked up with an Austin Champ. Let's go take a look at that first. You don't see many of these around. They're basically a British post-war version of a Jeep. And they're really cool, but they're mechanically pretty complicated. I don't think they're in service for that long because they're so overly built, if that makes sense. But this is a nice one. And if I was to open up the bonnet, you'd see the engine inside that thing is a monster. So let's take a look at the Jeep, see what we're doing for the year. So this is the basic setup for the Jeep when we're not doing displays as such, when it's just a vehicle. So we've just got the 30 cal in it, a couple of crates, have the 50 cal box on the back there to hold my camera in, and then my food supplies in there. We got her all dressed up with a screen cover on and a light canvas. And we fitted the early pattern tray to the cradle because I got sick of the ammo can rattling around, so now we can actually have some peace and quiet when we drive rather than nothing but constant banging of cans. And we've added this fuel can that I got given a few months ago because it's got nice original red markings on it, even though it's in rough shape compared to everything else. I'm not going to restore it just because that's a cool little thing. So yeah, that's the Champ and my Jeep. Let's go and have a look at some of the fancy sports cars. So here we go, we're just going to have a walk around so you can have a look at the cars here. It's actually a pretty good turnout.
Don't you dare.
Old Spitfire.
It's like the day after I bought it, I went down to Brands Hatch. Literally the next day,
Which is what it needs, you know.
it got a drive. I like that. I like the fact that it's different. I mean, it's not for me, but I love seeing it. The fact that somebody's done that, I think is brilliant.
Being a Honda, that'll go forever.
My future daughter-in-law's mother runs a Honda dealership out in Richmond, Virginia.
It's cool. A lot of the cars here, because I'm old, don't seem like classics.
Yeah, they are nice. One of my neighbours used to have
I suppose that's the downside of being so old that you can remember them being made. Old Mini.
the last little van I bought. I was snapped.
So you get like the modern Minis and stuff. I suppose even some of them are getting on now.
There was one fish and chip shop open.
Yeah.
And the BMW crew. This is the first time I've ever had this event here, and they've basically filled the field up. So that's not a bad showing, really.
Yeah, this was in Norwich, I used to live in Norwich, and I was looking for a daily anyway, and I want a wagon, I don't know why. I do like them. Yeah. Yeah. I was looking at all sorts of stuff, and my mate wanted me to L. I didn't think about it.
I wouldn't have to try and work on one of these. That's a bit different to the old truck.
I don't mind. To be fair, I get pleasure out. I don't actually get pleasure out of cleaning it,
This is more my sort of thing over here. You got the old Beetle. Yeah, look at her. This whole van's pretty smart as well. This little Suzuki truck. Look at that. Is it weird that I'd like to have one of these? I feel that's probably weird. Got a little dinky one. That's smart as well. Challenger, modern. This is a nice old girl. Oh, and we've got nothing really over there. Got old VW camper just turned up. These are smart as well. They are cool vehicles. Wonder, I know we've got a random Humvee because why not? You don't see many of these around here. Random Humvee with a random 30 cal, a rubber one I believe. How can you, I just don't understand how you can have a vehicle this big and inside it there's still no space. You got the racer cars. This little Fiat 500 looks quite smart. Sorry. That's pretty smart. This is more our sort of thing, I think. These old Ford trucks and the old Dodge trucks are real nice. There you go, a little bit, if you can read that on there. This is real nice. I wouldn't mind owning this. Bit of glass breakage going on. That's a nice truck. So we've got a couple of funky old vehicles laying around, and then mostly more modern stuff here. We have got a couple of these cool old vehicles. We've got another real nice Ford truck here. This one, I believe, is just untouched, basically. It's lovely. Awesome. And then we're back to the Jeep. So it's not a very big display, it's just a nice little day out. Thought we'd come down to support. This is all in aid of the windmill up there. What actually is this?
It's a 1967 German-built Amphi car.
Oh, excuse me.
So a factory-built Amphibious car.
Do you take it out in the water?
Yeah.
You actually do?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We use it in the Broads. I've taken it across to Germany. It's yeah, it's done all sorts. This one's done far more than most.
That's in great condition, isn't it?
Needs a bit of touching up, but then if you throw them in the river,
Yeah.
what do we expect?
Well, with the military vehicles, we like take the big, like 10-ton amphibious lorries out into sea. The servicing after you've been out in the salt water is pretty horrendous.
There were a lot of them when we were in Germany.
Brilliant.
Absolutely amazing.
Oh, cheers.
No problem.
See you later. Different. It's nice Chevy trucks turned up as well. There's a couple of things turned up. Vehicles have been in there all day.
That's the other one. He's got Chevy. I like the colour. All leather, white leather interior.
I think you
No idea what these are, but they're cool. Ford.
It's good to see him having a bit of. What engine you got in there, mate?
4.2 Ruber.
Yeah, keep on
See ya. See you later. See you later. So guys, that was the new little classic car show at Dereham Windmill. Now just doing a bit of a test with the camera mounted behind the passenger seat with the screen down, see what the footage come out like. Hopefully enjoyed seeing all these cars, especially that Amphibious car, that's pretty cool. So, chuck us a comment down below what you liked and what you didn't like. How's the footage coming out? It's a nice little camera, just wandering around. That's really nice being able to just pick that up and go around and not have to worry too much. And I will see you again soon.